Hello traders. In this video, we're looking at the Stratman Mini Chart Indicator for MT4. This tool lets you display multiple mini charts covering different time frames and even different instruments inside a single main chart window, making multi-time frame and multi-pair analysis much more efficient. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see what it looks like in real time. Now, as you can see over here, the Stratman Mini Chart Indicator embeds one or more small charts directly inside your main MT4 chart, usually anchored to a corner or along an edge. As you can see over here, we have three charts. Each mini chart shows full price action, candles, bars, or lines, in my case, candles, and can also display technical indicators and trend lines just like a normal chart. You might have, for example, a 15-minute chart, 1 hour mini chart, and a daily mini chart. In our case, we have the M15, the H1, and H4 mini charts, or the Great GPP, JPY chart or market. All visible at once, visually stacking short, medium, and long term views side by side. This layout implies a much clearer overview of trend structure and confirmation across timeframes without constantly switching chart tabs. Now let's move over to settings. To come over to the settings, we have the location of the chart, the height and width, the bars to display, and the time frame. We also have the colors. Now we move over to who is it for. The Stratman Mini Chart Indicator is ideal for traders who rely on multi-time frame or multi-pair analysis, scalpers watching higher time frame trend, swing traders cross-checking daily and 4 hour structure, or traders monitoring correlations. On small screens, too many mini charts can crowd the workspace, and running several at once can use more platform resources, especially on older machines. You can also suffer from analysis overload for beginners if they display too many views at once, so it's best used selectively with a clear plan. You can find the download link in the description below. You can also read the full Stratman Mini Chart Indicator MT4, including key features, practical examples, and limitations at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.